Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting to the router's admin interface. This is where the key lives. Connect a laptop by Ethernet or Wi-Fi, open a browser, and enter the router IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Once logged in with admin credentials, locate wireless or Wi-Fi settings. The interface may say Security, Wireless Security, or SSID settings. Make sure you write down the current SSID and security. You now change the passphrase itself. Find the passphrase or password field under Wireless Security and type a new, strong key. Choose the most secure encryption available, WPA3 if all devices support it, otherwise WPA2 AES. Avoid legacy options. Once you enter the new key, save or apply settings. The router may reboot. When it does, your current Wi-Fi connections will drop. Make sure to update the password on each device manually. Automated reconnects will fail until you supply the new key. You finish by reconnecting all your devices to the updated SSID using the new security key. Check saved profiles and remove old entries to avoid conflicts. Once done, verify internet access on at least one device and check router firmware. Outdated firmware can cause strange dropouts, so update if available. If you cannot log into the admin interface anymore, perform a factory reset with the router's reset button, then reconfigure from scratch. Keep a backup of settings to speed recovery next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.